Hi, I'm John with MEDiSURG. At MEDiSURG, our main goal in life is to help make your efficiency work for you in your operating room so that you can make sure you take care of your patients. So, if you have need for a piece of equipment or service, let us know. We'd be happy to assist you. Right now, we're focusing on buying and selling equipment. So if you have a Alcon Constellation or a Centurion or any phaco system that's out and about that you're not using, we'd be happy to help you, basically help take it off your hands. If you're looking to buy something, let's say an Alcon Centurion, Alcon is selling the Centurions for $60,000. We can do the same thing getting you an Alcon Centurion, but roughly at half that price with a full warranty, support, and everything that you need. So if you need a piece of equipment, contact us. We'd be happy to work with you. Now, in 2026, we're going to be focusing on handpiece repair and efficiency of our operation. So we have the ability now to repair handpieces and get them back to you in 1 week or so. If you need a handpiece right away, we can send you out a loaner. If you want to buy a new one, we can supply a new handpiece. So whatever your needs are to help keep you running efficiently, that is our goal. So focus on 2026 is to really create efficiency in this whole world of your surgery center and our operation to support you. So as a reminder, if you have a piece of equipment you want to get or you want to get rid of, give us a call. We'd be happy to take care of you. And if you want to subscribe, go below and you can actually see our other videos that we have. And we'd be happy to interface with you. And if you want to contact us, please contact us.